Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I scrubbed out this nasty oven that hasn't been cleaned in probably about a year with some baking soda and vinegar. Now, it is embarrassing, but it is nasty as hell and it needed to be cleaned. So I went ahead and wanted to just use baking soda and vinegar because obviously we cook in here. I didn't want to be using any harsh chemicals. So I mixed up the baking soda mixture, about a cup of baking soda and a third cup of water. It makes like a really thick pasty mixture. And then I just went ahead and spooned it all over the oven and used a sponge to scrub it in, paying specific attention to the really greased up areas. And then I let it sit for 7 hours. Once the 7 hours were up, I just went ahead and got my spray bottle, which I filled with vinegar, and I went to town spraying it all, which it was super satisfying with all the fizziness with the reaction between the vinegar and baking soda. And then I just used some good old-fashioned elbow grease. I scrubbed for about 30 minutes my entire oven to get all of the grime off of here, and I just kept reapplying vinegar in the crevices where there was additional baking soda. So anyways, this is just me scrubbing it all out, and you can kind of see the transformation of the oven. Once it was all scrubbed out, I just got some paper towels and went ahead and just rinsed it out with some warm water and wiped it down. Just being very careful to make sure I got all the baking soda off, because I did not want to end up baking in here and like caking the baking soda onto the sides of my oven. So I wiped it down, and then there was still some really heavy grease stains on the glass part that I didn't like. So I have like this little razor set. So I went ahead and got that razor set and literally scraped off all of the grease, well, as much of the grease as I could get off from the glass. And you'll see that in this next clip. That alone took probably another, I want to say 30 minutes or so to get all of that scrubbed off too. Even though this took a lot of work and a lot of elbow grease, the end result was super satisfying. I think my oven looks completely different. It looks much better. I will probably do round 2 next weekend, but I will say it is a stark improvement from the before. So here's a little comparison for you. It is a little embarrassing that it got this bad, but here you guys go. Proof it truly does work. 2 natural ingredients, vinegar, baking soda, and then just a little good old-fashioned elbow grease. If you guys like this video and want more tips and tricks, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.